Good morning and welcome to the planning briefing from Missoula, Montana on Sunday, March 20th. Looking at our key points, we have a few remaining mountain showers this afternoon, and those will continue into Monday. I do believe that valleys will see some downsloping as we're going to have some strong winds at ridgetop. Overall, there's going to be minimal impacts from all of this. And then we're looking at high probability of warmer than normal temperatures for Tuesday and Wednesday. And Wednesday afternoon will be fairly breezy as a wave will start to enter the scene and start breaking down that ridge. And that weak wave will go through our area on Thursday. So let's look at this satellite. We have this stream of moisture coming up and over this broad ridge out over the Pacific here. That ridge will slowly make its way onshore, and like I said, by Tuesday and Wednesday it'll be up and over this area in general here. We're going to take a look at that right now. Okay, I wanted to show how this week's going to progress. This is our 500 millibar chart from the website Pivotal Weather. You can see we have this trough that's currently over us. It's going to bring a few more mountain showers tomorrow. And then as we progress into tomorrow, you're going to see this northwest flow is setting up as this ridge is starting to move eastward. And I think we're going to get a little bit of upslope snow, as I'm about to talk about in a few seconds, along the border and in higher terrain up in northwest Montana. And then by the middle of the week, we're going to really see this ridge expand and lift up over us. And this is going to be quite the Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be warm and dry. It's going to be pretty nice, but look at this trough out here. It's going to quickly come in and knock that ridge back down. And then we'll have this weak wave going through on Thursday. And then eventually the ridge will rebuild, but that's outside of our forecast period. We'll talk about that more next Thursday. And this is a slide to show the reflectivity for tomorrow afternoon. And as you can see, as we're coming across, most of these showers are going to be in the mountains until about midday. You'll start to see an area of precipitation to our west that will slowly begin to move its way into our area. Now, if the ridge is a little bit further east, then these showers may get up into northwest Montana, but I think generally it's going to be along the Idaho-Montana border in north central Idaho, and in that general area that's going to see a little bit of light snow in those upslope conditions. Now looking at these are the probabilities of snow amounts for that Monday into real early Tuesday morning. The most likely is going to be a trace to maybe an inch along the Idaho-Montana border and in the eastern parts of the Clearwater Mountains. And then you can see over here in the Mission Mountains and in the Bob Marshall Wilderness, the higher terrain has maybe up to an inch. Could be as much as this, where some of the downsloping is overcome with a little bit of precipitation down into the valleys and higher amounts in the mountains. And then it could be as little as this. There's enough models out there saying that we're not going to get anything. I think what it's going to be is just a little bit of light snow in those upslope mountains. And then we have a warming trend towards the middle of the week. We're going to trend warmer and drier for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures could be 50s to the mid 60s, and generally it'll be partly cloudy skies and very nice conditions. Well, all right, here's our weather impact overview. On Monday we have the snow at the pass level for west central Montana and northwest Montana. Tuesday and Wednesday we're going to be under the ridge and it's going to be warm and dry. And then Thursday, once again, there's a weak wave that's going to break down the ridge. We're going to have a little bit of wind, especially up at ridgetop, snow at the pass level. And then the wind will continue on Friday, but I don't expect it to be impactful. Well, thank you for coming to our brief. Our next briefing will be Thursday the 24th. Have a great day.